Hi guys, if you're looking to level up your margarita game, let's try a PUNT E Margarita, where it's spiced up with a little bit of the bitter vermouth PUNT E Mez to give it some added depth. We're going to go in with 45 mils of a good quality blanco tequila, 20 mils of our hero PUNT E Mez, 15 mils of agave syrup, and then 20 mils of lime juice, which I'm just going to squeeze fresh. And then just one dash of orange bitters. So we're kind of leaning more into orange kind of baking spice flavors here. Then I'm going to shake that on a nice chunk of ice. So good. We're going to do this one on the rocks rather than up. Give it a strain. Then a little orange wedge for garnish. So you're getting heaps of real kind of grassy, fresh tequila flavor. It's really prominent with just like a really nice lingering sort of juicy orange bitterness. Absolute banger. Give it a try. The PUNT E Margarita. So now you know.